Hi Forex Fortune Hunters, this is Tom, and today's short video is concerning how to send an alert to your phone via text. It's really a reasonably simple process. You will need a couple pieces of data that you may or may not have, but let's explore how to set the thing up. There are two parts to this. One is checking out the indicator, and the second is going to the Tools menu on our screen and enabling alerts to be sent via email. So let's first start with the View menu. We're going to go to Navigator, and right now I have up here all of the indicators, including the custom indicators that we've used in the past. And let's just take a quick look at Chandelier. This is the one that I've modified. I'm going to right click and I'm going to modify it only so that I can show you that down here, I'll make it a little bigger. Down here, here's all the code related to the chandelier, okay, which was a public indicator, which we've simply downloaded and modified. We have the programming language available to us, and so that makes life easy. And in this section down here, the trend section, there's a command that says if the alert time is correct and the alert equals a certain value, then we want to sound the alert. That turns into true. We're going to play the sound and write the alert text. And this is what we use when we're putting that on a box right on your computer screen. Some of the indicators are not enabled with this next capability, but you can see here also there's a command that says send mail, alert text, and so forth. Same alert text as before. But bottom line is, if this line is not in place, or if there's a comments point in front of it, something like this, you see, that would darken it out and make it unavailable to the logic of the program. But we will do that. So it's available to us now. We have to recompile because I made some changes, but it comes up as no problem. Okay, we can close out of this with no errors and no warnings. And so now we know that when we're working with the chandelier, which is right here, we'll make it a little bigger, colors, and we'll make that 2 and 2. You can see what happened here. When I recompiled the indicator, all active charts with that indicator will change back to the basic color, and we had blue. We'll change that back to white smoke so that we can see it clearly, and you can see now we're back where we were before. So in any event, now we can go right click on the chart, go to the indicators list, Chandelier Tom, edit, inputs. And notice down here we have alert text, trend is changing. Well, that's not too helpful, so let's put in Euro USD, and let's change this sound alert to true. Okay, that's going to enable it to send the messages to us. Okay, and we're going to be in a position where now our indicator's all ready to rock and roll. It just needs an outlet. Tools, options. We'll talk about expert advisors and GAO over here, but here's the email setup. And basically, you need to do a couple of things. You need to, first of all, enable it. And then you need to find the following pieces of data. You need to work with your high-speed internet provider to find out what your SMTP server address is, and in particular, what port it uses for your email. So for example, this is our email address at Comcast that was assigned to us. There's our password if we wanted to log into Comcast email. I don't use it much, but this is the situation here. And you would have the same for whichever one of your internet providers you might use, whether it's a cable company or some other local provider, an ISP of some sort. So you need to call them or find out what this is, especially what port number they use, and you'll have to find someone in tech support with a pulse because many of these people don't know, and you'll have to go to a supervisor. In any event, you want this to be from your email address, and that's it right there, and you want to send it to this. So now here's the logical email source. That's where it's coming from. It's going through the gateway at the SMTP Comcast port number. It's logging into your account there so that it's a valid situation, and it's going to transfer to your cell phone. And at AT&T, the convention is 617, this is my cell number, at txt.com, I'm sorry, txt period, att.net. And when you get finished entering all those values, before having to wait for your indicator to fire, what you can do is, if you've enabled it, is you can simply hit test, message was successfully queued, look at journal for more information, and we can come down here to journal, and we can see that mail test message has been sent. Then you wait to see if it comes to your phone, and if that experimentation doesn't work, you simply have to go back and tinker with the various values. I hope that's helpful, and we'll see you next time.